Hi, this dance is called Vergeten, choreographed by Herman Baso from Indonesia and Donny Iswanto also from Indonesia on May 2025. There are 48 count, 4 whirls, easy, intermediate, level line dance. There are 2 restart on whirl 5 and 7, which is to repeat section 5 and 6. Okay, and there is 1 take, 20 count after whirl 5. Okay, without wasting any more time, let's start with the section 1. Section 1, step forward, flick back, step back, kick forward, step back, sit and look back, and lock shuffle forward, side, recover, cross. Okay, let me repeat with a count. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 2, side and sway, side sashay, cross recover side, cross recover and quarter turn to the left, forward. Okay, let me repeat with a count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 3, step forward and half turn to the left and with a sweep out, behind side cross and then syncopated lock shuffle forward, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, wait, with a count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Section 4, side flick, side behind side, cross, hold, quarter turn to the left, step forward, half turn to the left, together, step forward. Okay, with a count. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 5. Walk forward, right, left, forward mambo, walk back, left, right, coaster step. Count with a count. Okay. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 6. Okay, section 6. Samba whisk right, samba whisk left, quarter turn to the left, samba whisk right, samba whisk left. Okay, let me repeat the whole section from 1 to 6. I'll do it with a count. Section 1, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 2, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 3, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Section 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 5, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, there is 1 take after whirl 5, which is 20 count. Okay, 20 count. Section 1, take, step forward, half turn to the left, lock shuffle forward, step forward, half turn to the right, and then lock shuffle forward. With the count, section 1, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, just walk, cross, back, side, forward, and then pedal, quarter turn pedal to the left, step forward, quarter turn to the left, step forward, quarter turn to the left. Okay, with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then there are last 4 count, which is make a quarter turn to the left, and then side touch, and then open your arms to down to ups for 4 count, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let me repeat the whole section of the tag 20 count. Section 1, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, only 4 count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's all the tutorial of our new choreo called Vergeten. I hope you enjoyed the music, I hope you enjoyed the choreo, and we look forward to see the demo version. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.